Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. This is part 2 of this. I meant to make one earlier, but I got busy. I promised, well, I didn't promise. I said I would make one where you didn't have to convert them to a bitmap. And if you didn't watch part 1, we changed it. So let's make this thing 16 by 16. So we need an 8 by 8 item. And let's use that same purple. I don't think it changed as much as the other ones did. Now what we can do is take our nudge factor and change it to 8 inches. And we can make a duplicate of this and move it over. And then grab both these and hit the plus key and move them down. Now you can see already the line between them, but that's when I changed my nudge factor to 0.001. And I can move that. Well, let's just move these two over. And it's going to get rid of that line. And then grab these two and move them down. So now we can do these individually with the page curl. And we're not going to have to convert them to a bitmap. Let's go to Effects, Page Curl. And we want to use the bottom one on that one. And then we're going to say OK. And then we're going to grab that one and go to Effects, 3D, Page Curl, and we want to use this one. See, and I think the color might be a little bit more vibrant. Then say OK. This one, Object, Effects, 3D, Page Curl, and we want to use this one. See, we're still going to have a little bit of line. I might have to move it again. Effects. And one thing I know about page curl is that you cannot just fill in that spot and make a void spot. So I'm going to grab both those and I'm going to nudge them up just a little bit and get rid of that line. And see, the page curl is actually giving me problems. So I'm going to group these together now. I'm going to grab our copy of our girl. And I'm going to go ahead and go Object, Order, Back. Well, it's already back a page. So now I can hit P, put it in the center of the page. I group these and I go P, put them in the center page. And there you have it. Side by side, it's pretty close. But you can see it's more, in some of the colors, look how much more purple it is. And how it's just better all the way around. Now it's going to take a little bit of time, and sometimes my old laptop, when I do a lot of page curl and then adjust it, it'll crash my laptop. But that's a pretty cool thing, and look at the difference in the color. And that's going to be a better for them to print it with. Anyway, I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.